how's it going? So I'm out here on my next adventure out in the Port Coquitlam area. Once I get to my destination, I will check in with you guys later. All right, peace out. So we have arrived. I believe this is a south viewpoint. Not bad. We are at the summit of Mount Burke, which is out in the Port Coquitlam area, right across from the Minnekada Regional Park. Yeah, I'm at the highest point right now, forested in, but there's a few viewpoints, and we are gonna go explore those viewpoints. All right. So we are at the east viewpoint right here. Here checking in. How's it going? So I have finally arrived to Mount Burke. Mount Burke is located at the Port Coquitlam area, right across from the Minnekada Regional Park. Right now we are at the east lookout point. This is a better lookout. There's also a south lookout point there. The summit area is forested in, treed in. Let's talk about the trail stats on this trail. It's about probably 5 kilometers round trip with an elevation gain of 205 meters from sea level. This little peak here is about 250 meters, and average time will probably take you about 2 to 3 hours to complete, and rated as a moderate height. There's a lot of trail system here for mountain biking, and it's not bad. And then the final push to the summit is a little bit of a bushwhacking. But yeah, I highly recommend you bring a trail map with you so you don't get like lost in the forest. Anyways, I hope you guys like my YouTube adventures, and if you guys do, please hit the like and subscribe button and stay tuned for my next one. All right, peace out.